A park is shaped like a rhombus and has an area of 96 square meters. If 40 meters of fencing is needed to enclose the park, the cost in INR of laying electrical wires along its two diagonals at the rate of 125 per meter. Let's do this. This is a rhombus of side 10. The moment I see 10, I know that I'm tempted to think about 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 6, 8, because a rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. If this were 6, this were 8, this would be 8, this would be 6. Area would be half into 16 into 12, product of the diagonals, which is 8 into 12, 96, that works. So the moment I have hypotenuse 10, I'm thinking 6, 8, 10. Luckily enough, 6, 8, 10 works. This is a triangle we're talking about. This is a rhombus we're talking about. So along its two diagonals, along the 16 meter diagonal and the 12 meter diagonal, we're doing 16 plus 12 is 28. So along a 28 meter diagonal, we are plugging in 125 rupee per meter fence. 28 meters into 125. So this is 7 into 4 into 125, 7 into 500, or 7 by 2 into 8 into 125. This is 1000, this is 3.5, 3500 is the total cost. Rupees 3005, nice, simple, juicy question. Reward for powering through other tougher question.